Hi, in this video what we're going to look from the stem and leaf plot of the median age of African sub-Saharan countries. So this is my stem and leaf plot. So here this stands for 15, because 1/8 means 18. And you can see that the highest will be 41. This is quite an amazing fact here, particularly the lowest value, 15, because that actually indicates that half the population of that particular country are 15 or under in age. Okay, so we're going to use it to find the median, the interquartile range, and we're going to identify any outliers for the median age of sub-Saharan African countries. Right, the first thing to do is to find out the total in each row. So the total here is 30 if you count them. Here is 18, here is 2, and here is 1. The total here will be 51. So the odd n is odd. So the median will be 1/2 of 51, which is 25th value. So we use the 26th value. So the 26th value will be the middle value. So that will be that value there. We can count back 5 from 30, or we can count along here until we get to 26 and find that the answer to that will be 19. So the median of the median ages is going to be 19. Now for the quartiles, we can look what's left here and then take the median or the middle value of what's left, or we can do 1/4 of 51, which is 12.75, and take the 13th value. But if you think what's left, that's this one here. If you think what's left here, once you've taken that one out, there's 25. We don't count the middle one. Halfway of 25 will be the 13th value. That's another way of looking at it. So, or you could take, you can either do the 1/4 times 51 or take the median of the lower 25 items, which will give me 8. Similarly, you can do the upper quartile by doing 3/4 of 51, which gives 38.25. As long as you round up, we must always round up, you get the 39th value. Or you can think here, there are 25 values along here, and what I need to do is count along until I get to 13, starting with 1 here until I get to 13, which will give me this value here, 1. Okay, so either side of this, so look, if we count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and if we count from here, we're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12 either side. We don't actually count this middle one here if we do it this way. So we get the upper quartile as 21 and a lower quartile as 18. So we'll take the median of the upper 25 items. So it gives 21. So whichever way you do it, you're going to get 21 and 18. Right, so marking those values on, so Q1 is lower quartile, Q3 is the upper quartile, Q2 is the median. The interquartile range, which we write as IQR, is Q3 minus Q1. So it's going to be 21 minus 18, which gives me 3. Now, an outlier is an extreme value that is outside the overall pattern of the data. So one way, and it's only a particular way of calculate the data, so outlier can be let's say less than Q1 minus 1.5 times the interquartile range. The interquartile range is 3, or the outlier can be greater than Q3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. So that's going to be, in our case, 18, because the lower quartile was 18, 1/8 from the graph, minus 1.5 times 3. So any value less than that, whatever that is, will be considered to be an outlier. Or the outlier can be 21 plus 1.5 times 3. So that's going to be 13. less than 13.5. Well, that's no values, because the lowest value that we had was 15, so no outliers given by that. Or the outlier can be greater than 25.5. Well, this one's 25 here, so that means that 27, 34 and 34 and 41 will be considered as outliers. So the outliers are those I've just circled in orange: 27, 34, 34 and 41. However, note that different rules can be applied. This is just using this particular rule here, which is quite common, which seems to be used by the calculators and the graphical calculator. We can look at this by going to GeoGebra. So if we check this column here, I've just put all the data, the raw data in from this column here. If I highlight it and go here to one variable analysis, analyze the curve, okay. If I got the statistics set, which is this one here, you can see the button here, it's been highlighted. Okay, you need to press that to get the statistics. Okay, notice that we do get that Q1 is 18 and Q3 is 21 like we got, so it's 21 minus 18, that will give me 3. We get the minimum value and the maximum value, and again, of course, the median was 19. If we click on here and scroll down to stem and leaf plot, we will see in the very bottom, we'll say that the high end at 27, 30, 34.0 and 34.0 and 41.0 are being considered as outliers. We can even look at what's known as a box plot, which we're going on to do, and we can see that there is the interquartile range, and we can see that 3 things lying out. 34 because it only appears one, but it appears twice in our data. Right, so this has been a video to show you how to find the median, lower quartile, upper quartile, and the interquartile range, and identify outliers from a stem and leaf plot, which is one of those. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.